are not alone. Come with me to Planet Prudence.
Hey my loves, welcome back. I hope you're doing well, great even, and I hope you've been enjoying my video so far. It's been something to be back to YouTube, and I kind of have to figure out how I'm going to include it in my current workflow by now. I mean, I'm trying to find a way. Anyway, today we're going to tackle how I'm using the Quickmenu on Procreate. It's a very easy tool that makes it possible for you to switch between certain features. I'm using it all the time. I don't even know I'm using it anymore, like it goes naturally. And I am going to show you how I set it up, and I'm also going to show you how I'm using it in my daily workflow. So I hope you're enjoying this video, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel because that means a lot. So enjoy this video, and I'm hoping you're going to learn something that will improve the productivity in your current workflow as well. So here we go. Today I'll be showing you a little bit about the Quickmenu. This is a very easy feature that will allow you to be more productive with Procreate. First of all, I want to show you, this is the illustration for this month's wallpaper on Patreon, by the way, and available for all $5 patrons and up. So the Quickmenu is actually this. You tap the screen and you'll see all the different options that you have. So you'll see this settings sign here. You go to preferences, then you go to gesture controls. You will see all these different controls that you have here. Pick Quickmenu. Quickmenu will show you an array of things. You can actually choose how you prefer to open your Quickmenu. I do the touch and hold, and I put the delay on 0.15 seconds because I want to access it very quickly. I don't want to wait like a second or 2 seconds for it to pop up onto my screen. And I choose the touch and hold, which was the gesture that I showed you before. So I do done, and now I'm going to show you how you can actually set up your own Quickmenu. So I'm going to touch and hold, and there's my Quickmenu. If you touch it, you will be able to, this is my eyedropper, so I touch the eyedropper. You'll be able to use it. If you open it again and you tap and hold, you will see that all these different actions are coming up. You can choose between so many of them: layer opacity, merge down, paint, paste, previous color, select brush. I have it on eyedropper here, but basically that's how you set up your Quickmenu. My Quickmenu exists out of a new layer on top, flip horizontally, which is something that I use so much because if you have a mirror view of your illustration, you will see where in the illustration something is still missing. And basically it's the same thing when you work traditionally. You look at it in a mirror or mirror view, you will notice mistakes that you wouldn't notice if you look at it in its original position. Here I have copy, here I have merge down. I don't use it so often, so I may change that one up. This is clear layer. You don't want to use this by accident, so I would recommend maybe not starting off with this, because if you're using the Quickmenu at first, you're really tapping it without knowing. Like, it happens a lot. And this is the eyedropper, which I'm using so much. The eyedropper and the flip horizontally are the ones that I'm using the most. Basically, it's super easy. You can tap it and then even choose it like that. It's very easy to use like this. This was a Quickmenu. If you have any questions, if you want me to do anything else that you're struggling with or that you want to know, please let me know in the comments below. I want to thank my patrons for supporting me to do these videos. You guys are the best. Thank you so much for allowing me to focus on personal content. Make sure to check out my latest videos as well. And also, please drop me in the comments any requests that you want to see in future videos. Alright guys, see you next time.